Thank you so much to our contingents from Calasiao. May I call on Councilor Bayani? San Quintin, I'm sorry. Thank you. May I call on Councilor Bayani Villar to receive the plaque of appreciation for the municipality of San Quintin? And may I request Board Member Danny Uy to award the plaque of appreciation?